Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to do about factorization by s. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides and we have 2s ds. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by u. Similar for this one. S ds we change by this one. Next, we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about t equals to 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 plus u. So if we do first derivative of this one, we have 1 over 2 du dv, that is about this one. So the integration of this one, we have v equals to e to the power of u. So we have t multiplied by v, this one and this one, minus we have the t multiplied by v, and we have 1 over 2 with the integral e to the power of u du. And now we have the final answer. About u, that is about s squared. This is the end. Thank you for watching.